Hello everyone, my name is Jessie Mouse and welcome back to a Let's Play episode in the park. We are in the fun house that's not very fun, and I've gotten scared several times in the past episode to the point I still can't talk. I keep feeling like we're getting closer and closer to the end of this, so we're going to go ahead and continue on. Isn't he awesome? We just saw the Mad Hatter of the park disappear a few minutes ago into here. Basements. Everybody loves basements. I have a funny feeling I'm not supposed to be down there. Oh, no. Stay on flashlight. No! Stop! I don't. Every time it acts up like that, that's where something's changed. Ooh. My flashlight! My flashlight! Oh, that don't look too bad. Are we sure we don't want these? Open up! Okay. This looks nice, I just really wish that my flashlight would have decided to cooperate. Okay. Nightmare Circus. Okay, flip it. To read it. No. Okay. A circus burns to the ground on opening night, killing dozens. The owner is put to death by an enraged mob of townfolk. Just as he shouts out a curse, now Raven, a dark-souled wanderer, comes to the ruins at dusk in search of his missing mother. Let the show begin. Is there something particular? Hey, what's this? Ooh, it's something electrical. Can I play with it? See, everything I see in this game that I feel like, ooh, I could use this to my defense. I could use this to my advantage. The game is like, no.
After they let me out, they gave me Callum back and sent me home with a handful of breadcrumbs. Home, bittersweet home. I barely recognized it. Where there had been color and light, there were shadows and regrets. Where there had been warmth, there was a bone-deep coldness that never went away. I tried my hardest to keep the ghosts at bay. Don, watching from the dusty corners while I tried to teach his son to read. My father, coldly assessing me and finding me lacking. I devoted myself to Callum and did the things that they told me. It will get better, they said. Every day will be a little better than the last. I'm in the woods now, lost and afraid. Things never got any better.
Okay, I think we've spent enough time in here. What's this? Hunger. April 16th, 1846, a group of covered wagons began the 2,500-mile journey to California. Just 8 months later, they found themselves stranded in the Sierra Nevada mountains with very little to buy for sup. It was to become one of the greatest tragedies of westward migration that the world had ever seen. Now our panel of donor experts have uncovered compelling evidence that the families were forced to resort to cannibalism in order to survive that terrible winter. And this never-before-seen exposed read about how the donor children were forced to eat their brothers and sisters in order to survive. All here in the pages of the shocking truth. Wants a little beer. Want a little beer. Oh boy. Disconnect notice. After multiple attempts to collect payment, we regret to inform you that your service has been disconnected or will be disconnected shortly. Please do the following. Make the payment listed on your last bill. Contact us. Anyone who's ever owed bills before knows exactly this stuff. So who went without electricity? Someone's been sleeping there.
Don't leave me!
Uh-oh, that's his little hat. Oh, come on, Callum, where are you? Rubik's Cube. None of those get you in trouble. A lot of things to Mom and me in the car. So he's been drawing. Oh. Who does he love, though? I haven't really noticed anything in particular about these. So you can freeze it and read it if you want. And I'm not really noticing much on these books that has an importance. There's a fresh cup of... It's really quiet. I have a funny feeling that's about to change. There's something off about this. Is this my house? Why am I examining a wrench? Anything else? Anything else? Anything else? I didn't look at this picture. Looks like they went to a zoo, possibly. Now, why would our little Mad Hatter friend take us into a place that is like a replica? Red lighting. Because we all know that goes well. Why is it shaking? It's static. So they were on a ship, or maybe he wanted to be on the ship? In class, a lot of letters. Okay, I guess we'll go read all the letters. Miss Millard, as we agreed to in your meeting today, we consider you fully recovered from your illness. This letter is official notification that you are considered sound of mind and body and may return to work at any time. Please note that you should discontinue any medication that you have been using and dispose of any remaining medicines. If you feel at any time that you are suffering a relapse, then please make contact with your local physician immediately. We wish you continued good health. Dr. Spencer, Dunwood Medical. So she had one hell of a episode, apparently. Lorraine, I received your letter and I am quite surprised. You ran off with your father all those years ago, then disappeared off the edge of the map. And then when I finally tracked you down, refused to answer any of my letters. And now you write to me asking for help. I have another family now and another life. Your father was a horrible man and I regret the years that I wasted with him. I loved you, I truly did, but every year you grew more and more like him. You were his girl, never really mine. Still, I would have fought for custody if you hadn't run away with him. It broke my heart, but I needed to go on living. I can't let you back into my life without picking open old wounds. I'm sorry, Lorraine, but I just can't do it. Maybe one day it'll be easier and I can meet Callum, but not yet. I am not ready to forgive you. Please don't contact me, Karen. Aww. That's so sad. Up with the television. Guess that's what happens. We're kind of like down in a basement. Why are there lights? No lights. Another notice. Let's see where we're committed. Lorraine seems to be suffering from depression that began early in her pregnancy. Our discussions have made it obvious that these episodes stem from the grief of losing her partner, Dawn, who died about 6 months ago. There are also several unresolved issues with her father. After being kept under careful observation, we provided standard treatment for this disorder, including electroconvulsion therapy. The patient responded and made a rapid recovery. Lorraine has a newborn son, Callum, who was placed in foster care shortly after birth when Lorraine displayed symptoms of disorientation and depression. It is our judgment that Lorraine is fit to have her son returned to her, and as long as she follows her recommended aftercare routine and continues with her medication, we have faith that she will be an effective caregiver. Lorraine has her own housing, and her employer, Susie, has said that she is welcome to return to her shifts at the diner. Norma Credo, a local woman, also offered to care for Callum while Lorraine works. It is with this support network in mind that we feel confident releasing Lorraine from this institution. And it talks about her medications. Poor lady. Can I read this? No. Our inquiry into the estate of Mr. Donald Williams has been completed. We regret to inform you that the primary beneficiaries of this estate, including the life insurance settlement for accidental death, were listed as Rose Williams and Richard Williams of New York State. The deceased parents. Our agency may contact with Mr. and Miss Williams and explain your situation, especially as regards the birth of Donald's son, Callum. Unfortunately, they were not receptive to our overtures, and they specified that without any legal proof of biological relationship, they considered you ineligible to receive any of the monies from Donald's estate. They asked that we no longer contact them regarding this matter. I understand that this may have a negative impact on your current financial situation, and I hope that I am not being too forward when I enclose the bill for our services with this letter. Sincerely, Edward Stapleton. Okay. So this is like the note reading. I guess this episode is really just kind of tying up loose ends. Deeper. Are we just kind of like going deeper and deeper and deeper into our subconscious here? Exit. Okay. Fine. Wow, this looks familiar. Knock knock. Oh. I hear funky stuff. Uh-oh, this isn't gonna be good. Hi, I'm back again! Okay. We love identical rooms. Okay, so... Okay, I'm where I'm supposed to be. Okay. I already read through. Where's my pills? Ah, stuff's getting moved around. Oh, wait. Okay, that's not what it said before. I'm gonna... there we go. Something like that. The park, it was a waiting on a child for taking. Using joy for baiting, while their mother's mind is breaking. And so she went. You bunch of assholes. I think most people right now would be like, yep, we're gonna take that cigarette right there. Lorraine, things aren't right between us at the moment. I know. I want to try and explain it. I think it's because I'm so far from home and I am working so hard. Every day working at the park, it gets worse. Like a spring inside my mind, winding tighter and tighter and tighter. When we go for drinks after work, it gets a little better. The guys relax and we laugh and we're good people again. I don't want to come to you without being in my right mind. But when this job is done, we need to get out of this place. We need to go back to the city, where I don't feel like this anymore. I love you, Donald. P.S. I was thinking about names for boys and girls. I'd like Callum for a boy, and Emma if it is a girl. That's sad. Okay, that says the same thing. Excuse me? Oh, what's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Back to a wall. Back to a wall. What's happening? She got off. What the hell? I feel like I should be able to read something out of that. Her. I don't know what to make of that one. All the crazy noises in my ears would just shut up. Ah. Okay. I don't know. You guys can look through that and see if you can make any sense of that, because I didn't. Uh-oh. So I'm still able to examine. I can't call out for Caleb anymore.
I'm a horrible mother. Where is he?
Oh. Callum! Oh, Callum, come on. Wait a minute. Okay. You wait just right there. Hold on. I'm gonna continue being a bad mother for a minute. And with this novel, Lorraine cements her place as one of the most important science fiction writers of a generation. Wait, what? No. And an erotic dancer named Lorraine is the key to saving the world. Lorraine is back, and you better believe that she is bigger, better, and bolder than ever. Oh boy. Oh boy. We're really losing it. Oh, there's my boy. Okay. Lorraine. Don't lose it. Why is he mad at me?
Show yourself?
Why is he mad at me? He's still mad at me. Oh, we're losing it. Where's my wrench? Where's my wrench? I want my wrench. Oh, okay, stuff is... Wait, hold on. Hey, I can have wine! Open! I want to examine the wine. Okay, never mind. Can I take the wine bottle? It's good for bashing people upside the head. Come in! Son! We're gonna have a talk after all this. One stasis. Holy monkey balls. I didn't run away, Dad took me. Oh, she's losing it. Lorraine, where's your medicine? We're losing it, babe. We're losing it. Gotta pull this shit back together. Thank you, William, for the new watch. It is very nice. It has made me a happy carrot. What is being... is that coffee? Being dripped all over? And okay, things are getting trippy as we get further and further. Oh boy. Oh boy. Guess what we're probably gonna see. Yeah. I swear this place becomes just a little bit more decrepit. And we moved that door in. He's still singing. Yes? I don't want any, I'm naked. Uh-oh. Oh. Go ahead and close on me. I know you're going to. Shit's getting weird. Oh no. Oh, like my worst adversary in this damn place. Fucking chipmunk. Chipmunk goes a stab, 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 and then the eyes a jab, jab, jab in. And all the townies gab, 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 and just lie down and let it happen. That's what he said. Anyways, Bazong, can you let win? Oh no. Bring him on, bring him on. I might jump and scream like a sissy. What the? What the hell's going on? Oh, the bear. Man, we're losing it. Oh, we're losing it. Story Hansel and Gretel. Never easy to manipulate these books. Here we go. Oh, now our panel of fairy tale experts have uncovered compelling evidence that Hansel and Gretel were in fact eaten alive. In this never-before-seen expose, read about how their parents inexplicably tried to cover it up by telling stories about a witch in a house made of candy. And here in all the pages of this shocking fake story. I keep looking behind me because Chad has been being a very naughty chipmunk. His hat's gone. Okay, I don't think that book has changed any. Oh no, there's blood. Uh-oh. He still loves me, I think. Oh. Bloody handprints on it. Fire. Wasn't I just saying earlier I wanted to light this place on fire? I might be kind of regretting that. Dolls' heads.
How to play. Tell me what he said. Did you sing to him? So your mother sings to you?
Zoloft. Sounds like it's a Zoloft. Zoloft. Tickets to more pills.
Hello.
So she was just really losing it. Oh my goodness. Should we try the door? Because it's not like that's ever happened. It's gonna knock me. Knock, knock, knock. So many doors I can't come into. I never noticed this book here before. Oh no. Looks like someone took some damage to the head. Yeah, we've already seen that. Mad Hatter. Oh, not even a door anymore. It's just like... Oh, okay, the door was already open. Yeah. I'm losing my mind with this damn place. The boogeyman goes a walk, 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 and sneaks, stealing a stalk, stalk, stalk. And is he really a talk, talk, talking? No, it is not the time for Buck and cerebral cortex when. Oh boy. Woodcutter is dead, the witch always wins. Okay, that's all it pretty much says. Oh, hell. It's a baby. That bread, the bread, the blood looks very fresh. Her lie. See her try. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Who's that? Back? Oh, back we go. My two best friends, Dawn and Laura. Okay, so that's Callum's dad. Can you hear us, Larian? One of the most we were watching. Man, this place is getting intense. I don't remember there being a fire before.
I'm a horrible mother. Where is he?
You're alone, nobody loves you, Callum is no longer who he once was. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh boy. Well, hello. What is that? That's the ice pick from Chad. Some shit's about to get real. Oh no. And the door is open now. And I can't say shit. I can't say shit! Thank you. The fuck is that? Stop it! I know I have an effect on you. I don't know how I can find a time to dance. Okay. As we agreed in our meeting today, we consider you to be batshit fucking insane. Let's be clear, you are in no way sound of mind and body, and you are a danger to everyone around you. Please note that your only escape from this should be drugs. A shitload of them. Smoking, snorting, oral, intravenous. Take them any way you can and as often as you can. That shit can only make your life better. In case there are any doubt, you are suffering a relapse and nobody really cares. Nobody can help you now. Don't fuck this up, Dr. Spock. Have a nice day. Oh boy. Still can't interact with the TV. Did she light her house on fire? Okay, we're gonna stop it here because I don't know how much longer that we have in this. I keep thinking we're getting so close to the end and it just keeps going. So, we're finding that she's really, really losing it, or had already lost it before. So if you liked what I did, you like what you saw, subscribe, like, leave a comment, and I will see you in the next video. Ta-ta!